Hello guys, my name is Shamli Sharma and today's our topic is hyperparameter tuning or we can say hyperparameter optimization. Right. As we know in ML, we want to build a model with good accuracy or the model should be in is a best fit for our data set, right? So to build a model with high accuracy, there are so many parameters to choose when it comes to train our model. So to choose a best parameter, the concept came here is hyperparameter tuning. Now here hyperparameter tuning uh, tells process of choosing a optimal parameter, right? The optimal parameter to choose when we optimal parameter is chosen when we want to train our model. And this hyper parameter tuning is we can found it in skit learn python machine library, right? Now the question basically is here is what is hyper parameter, and we can if we can divide this word, this comes to be hyper plus parameter, right? So we have to know what is parameter. Parameter generally is a characteristic that can help in defining or classifying a particular system. That means if we want to classify something, if we want to define something, we need a parameter. Like if we want to say that this color is what need a adjective for that, like this color is good or this color is bright, that we need that parameter. This in the same way in ml we need parameter to train our model to get a good accuracy. Model parameters are the properties of training data that will learn on its own during training by the classifier or other ml model. Now to train our model we can need parameters, right? So model parameters are trained only during the training of the model. Now these are the factors which contribute in improving the performance of an algorithm. If we have a good parameter, this will increase our accuracy, which will improve the performance of our algorithm. Now we can say what is hyperparameter. Hyper, as we know that hyper means excessive, right? We need a good thing, best thing for this. So hyper plus parameter is good parameter or best parameter for our model. It allows us to choose correct parameter to increase the accuracy score. The hyperparameter help us to choose a good score parameter which will make our model best fit for our data set, right? The hyperparameter which are set before the algorithm is trained. Hyperparameters are set before the model is being trained, but the parameter itself is trained between when the model is processed. Now hyperparameters are of two types, that is grid search of hyperparameter and the random search. Now we will see both one by one. As we go to grid search first. In grid search is an approach to hyperparameter tuning that will build and evaluate a model for each combination of algorithm parameters specified in a grid. Now, in simple language, if I will explain you this, let's take an example. If we have four houses A, B, C, and D, and a person want to find me in one of these houses. Now, what will the grid search do? It will make combinations of each of the following houses. First, let's take an example. First, it will take A and B and search in A and B combination. Then it will take A and C and search in A and C. And similarly, it will take B and C and search each and every combination and will find out in which house I am present, right? This will take much time, but the accuracy is much more, which help us to get a very good model. But now if we talk about random search, random search is a technique where random combinations of the hyperparameter are used to find the best solution for the built model. Now if we take the same example, like there are four houses A, B, C and D. So in random search, it will not take all the combination like A B or B C or B D anything. It will take random combinations like A and C or B and D and give you the best solution out of that. It will take less time, but the accuracy power is less. Now, if I teach you this grid purpose in ML, then we take a look here. Sorry. Now, yes. Now here we can see there are some parameters, hyperparameters, that is C, kernel, and gamma. If we work with grid search, it will take the combination of these three. Like if we say this is A, this is B, and this is C, then it will do the search. Wait, I will tell you how. It will take C and kernel first, and after that it will make the combination with C and gamma. Right. Similarly, it will make the combination like with 0.1 and 1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.01. Similarly in with C and kernel, 0.1 RBF, 0.1 linear, and search the best fit, right? Now, if we talk about a random search, in which it take any solution, right, randomly, then we will wait. I will teach you that also. Now, it can make any combination like kernel and gamma. Also, it can make C and kernel randomly. It will make the combination randomly. There is no hard solution that it will take each and every combination. It will take randomly and give you the best result, right? But the accuracy power of random search is less than grid search. So this is the SKT learn parameters in which we make combination and use this in grid search or random search. So now you can say why we need hyperparameter. Why we need hyperparameter, right? We need hyperparameter to increase the accuracy score, to get the model uh, which uh, which is accurate in power, which have good accuracy score, which is very trained uh, in 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 its fit, right? So this is our theory part. Now in next video we will talk about grid search and random search one by one, and how they work in the practical part. We will check with our codes, and all this for now. Thank you.